Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like realistic neon sign glitching effect on CapCut PC. Now you can use the text effect and stickers for this, but for this one I'm just going to add in like a default text effect. I'm just going to type in sign, and you are just also going to change the font as well. Going to use like this as the font, and then I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to go to comic, and I'm going to add in the neon one on it. And here I think you can change the color of the neon sign that you want as well, so make sure you do that. I'm just going to choose like this like purple one. Then you are going to go to lens, and you're going to add in the edge glow to it, just to add this like bright glow. Just adjust it here, and then maybe in light you might want to add this like angel one, but make sure the strength isn't too much. Once you're done, you're going to select everything and right click, create compound clip. Then you are going to go to nightclub, and you're going to add in this black flash to make the neon sign glitch a little bit, and you want to make sure the speed is like slower. Okay, that's a little bit still too fast. Maybe also not add the twist, and make the strength a little bit noticeable, so it looks like the neon sign is kind of glitching. I think you might be able to use the strobe one as well, but it's like lighter, so maybe just use this black flash one. And that's it basically. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!